One of the things that patients often find a little bit concerning with plastic surgery and cosmetic surgery is looking natural. Now, natural is kind of a vague term to some people, but the goals that we have here in the Bengtson Center and at New Vista Surgical Suites is to create a very refined and enhanced contour and shape, both of the face and the body and the breasts. So that means that we're trying to achieve natural looking results that will look very good on patients and make them feel very comfortable with more confidence about how they look in a bathing suit or tight clothing. Oftentimes utilizing more than one technique. For instance, when doing an abdominoplasty, I often utilize liposuction, which removes fat from the waistline or the back or bra roll to try and enhance the result and give a natural shape, not just in the front, but all the way around the patient. That is just one of the many aspects that I take into consideration as a surgeon in order to achieve results that look like they're very natural and not surgical. This allows patients to feel much more comfortable about sharing their experience, but also showing off their bodies and faces when they've been properly healed.